Hey Blade Ops, welcome back to another video. Here we're going to look at the GiantMouse ACE Nimbus version 2. Here we can see the all-natural canvas micarta with a stonewash blade. Then here we have the green micarta with a satin blade. The blade is LMAX steel with a slight drop point style. The blade is 3 inches, 7.25 inches is the length of the knife, and weighs 3.8 ounces. It comes with a deep wire pocket clip, and that is reversible, which is nice. Has a little bit of a rounded spine, and that helps with the feel, and I have a great spot for the jumping. Just feels great in the hand. Has a little ace symbol. You can get your Nimbus version 2 online at blades.com or in store today.